Welcome to part 2 of organising my kitchen. Yeah, that clock needs a new battery. So the reason why I'm doing this, like organising my kitchen, I'm trying to like my kitchen. I have a decent looking kitchen. I've seen people with worse kitchens. I've lived in worse kitchens. Yeah, it's not a bad kitchen. Because you're into interior design, you see people with islands, the marble worktop, you're like, I want that. Sage green with gold handles cupboards. Because I like watching those videos and house tours, I'm like drawn to that. But like, you have to be appreciative of what you have and make what you have work. So that's what I am doing. So last week I popped into B&M and I bought some storage containers because I looked online and I saw that B&M are more cheaper. So let me show you the storage containers that I got. So these are the ones that I got. So these gold ones are £1.50, right? This says it's glass. It's a glass jar, but it feels very plasticky. But anyways, I like this £1.50 one. I love them for like smaller stuff. So I got 2, and then I got 3 of these big storage containers, and obviously these are £3 each. I feel like this is good for like less than £14. This is like a really good price, because you know with storage containers, it can like build up. Yes, it can. I've seen Primark ones and I'm like, what on earth is this price? And they're nice though. I will say they weren't big like this one. So, but slowly today I am going to, when I have little moments, I'm going to come in, organise the kitchen. Also, there was going to be like decorating as well. Some decorating stuff that I got from Matalan. From my Matalan sale store. Yeah, not Matalan normal Matalan store. Matalan's sale store.
Don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this tiny shell.
So this spice rack, was using it as a spice rack, but originally I was using it to store glasses, because you can stack up your cups and glasses on this. Well, I had an idea to do that. Then I started using it as a spice rack. I decided I'm going to go back to using it to store glasses. Here are some of my glasses. These are going in the bin. I've never used these, like absolutely never. My version of my pantry cupboard. So yeah, so I keep food up down here and also in here. Up there is like DIY stuff, but do you see how like the DIY stuff is starting to like come down because there's not enough space up there? So this needs to be organized and find storage for some of the stuff that's up there elsewhere.